So the dense fog advisory has expired, but the fog is still very thick. This is a live look from our rooftop camera here in Midtown. You can barely see the tops of the buildings. The visibility at the airport, 0 miles, 56 degrees. So it is a mild morning. The fog's still very thick south of the city along I-20 from Covington down through Henry County, from Griffin to Thomaston, Pike Lamar counties, Coweta County, so Peachtree City, Fayetteville, Noonan, LaGrange, your visibility is still near 0. The sun has been up for almost 2 hours now, so this fog is going to start to lift out. By noon, it should be completely out, and we'll start to see the sun. As soon as that sun comes out, guys, temperatures start to soar. We'll be in the mid-60s when you eat lunch, but we'll climb quickly into the 70s. We spend the entire afternoon in the 70s. When the kids get out of school, it's going to be really nice outside, but 6 p.m., that's another first alert. That's when we're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms the most widespread, which will impact some of you for your commute home. Here are your high temperatures, low to mid 70s. This will tie previous record highs, so it's going to feel more like spring. And with that springtime feel comes the spring-like storms. I'm not seeing a high potential for severe weather whatsoever, but this cold front could bring through maybe a storm with some gusty winds and thunder. Again, in that time frame, looks like between 3 to 6 p.m. Here it comes, 4 p.m. from Rome to Ellijay, quick moving line of rain. Few rumbles of thunder makes its way into the city around 6 p.m. And then essentially by around 9 or 10, it's dry. So a low impact first alert for you today. Will dry out overnight. Tomorrow looks good to go. But Friday, a secondary dry cold front comes through. And that's when that really cold air starts to settle in. By Friday afternoon, it's going to feel like winter again. 20 degrees colder by Friday afternoon. And it continues to get even colder from there. We've added a first alert weather day on Saturday, because it's going to be really cold. Saturday's the first day of winter. Winter's coming in with a bang. All weekend, we do not make it out of the 40s. What does that mean for Christmas? Well, Christmas is next Wednesday. We'll be just making it out of the cold, okay? So high temperatures likely to be in the 50s, but we want to go ahead and first alert you that rain is looking pretty likely on Christmas right now. Looks like it could be some morning rain with maybe a drier afternoon, but we'll probably end up adding a first alert weather day for Christmas. Just to let you know, you probably want to go ahead and maybe adjust your plans a little bit. If Santa's bringing the kiddos a bunch of outdoor presents, they may not be able to use them until Christmas afternoon or maybe the day after Christmas. Here's a look at the whole thing put together for you. That fog going to lift out here shortly. 40% chance for a few showers and rumbles of thunder this afternoon. Can't rule out a stray storm. Tomorrow, much cooler, 60 degrees. By Friday, you'll need the winter coat. On Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday, we're looking at hard freezes and afternoon highs only in the 40s. Lots of sunshine, but it will be cold. Christmas Eve, we make it back into the low 50s, and our next chance for rain after today looks like it will be Christmas itself.